Okay, we're adding coconut oil to that to get it up to 3.6, 1.8 of each.
Okay.
And last, we're doing our palm kernel flakes.
4.5 ounces.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to add 2.43 ounces of our lye. So to our water, we're adding our 2.4 ounces of lye, and then we're pouring it into the water so we don't get a cloud of lye dust. And then we're going to stir until it's dissolved.
Yes, somebody told me
We've got the Vinahood going.
that the snow falls on the mountain and you want to pour the lye into the water for that very reason, because Charlotte just said you don't want the lye dust.
Chantel's got her safety gloves and safety goggles. You can see that it's emulsifying, dissolving. So our oil is all melted. We're now going to add the lye mixture to our...
Look, you can see how much it's steaming. It's gotten hot. That chemical reaction has happened.
I would set that in the sink. So we're going to add our fragrance. We're adding some lavender and some lemon to make our soap smell good. And you can see that it's already thickening up. And this is going to continue cooking for about 20 minutes. And we'll be back in 20 minutes. Should be semi-solid, and we can push it into the mold. So we're using an emulsion blender to just make this all nice and thick and creamy. And it is.
So this is a little past the moment because I kind of forgot to record, but we emulsified this with the emulsion blender until they said it reached trace, which was when you blended and you kind of left a wake in its path. Now we're almost getting to the thickness we would need to move into the molds, but not quite yet. But that's how you apparently know that your lye and your oils have completely had the complete saponification process, and you're not going to burn yourself with lye. So now we're letting it cook until it gets like thick mashed potatoes, which we're getting close to. See how thick this is? If we don't get this down pressed into a mold soon, it's going to be too thick to mold. We have our hot process soap, as you can see, decently thick, going into our molds. We wrapped them both in a towel and set them in a corner to wait for the next 2 weeks.